Welcome, I'm Dr. Stephen Grinstead. I'm very excited because on May 11th, I'm presenting for the More Than Lupus Foundation a day of freedom from chronic pain and suffering for patients with lupus and other chronic pain conditions. And it's in Portland, Oregon on May 11th. And the bad news is there's only a few slots left. The good news is that admission is free for anyone living with lupus or other chronic pain conditions. I really would encourage you to sign up quick before all the spaces are gone. There's going to be nutritious snacks throughout the day and a good healthy lunch served. There's going to be movement exercises in addition to some cognitive behavioral restructuring exercises, which is going to be very crucial that you walk away with a roadmap how to obtain and maintain your own personal freedom from suffering. So please join me. Don't hesitate. Go to the link you'll find with this video and sign up now. So if you know anyone who is suffering with chronic pain and could benefit, May 11th, Portland, Oregon. It's going to be an exciting full day. So I really would love to have you there. And please let me know that you saw this video when you see me there. Thank you.